Dear friends, in class 7 we are studying 6th chapter, the triangle and its properties. And in exercise 3.6.3 we have the first question. Find the value of unknown x in the following diagrams. Now see, we are given 3 angles of a triangle. Out of that 2 are given to us, 1 is unknown. Now we have already studied one of the property of a triangle, and it is sum of interior angles of triangle is interior angles of triangle is equal to 180 degrees, or sum of interior angles of a triangle are supplementary. You can use both the words. Now it does mean, this is first question. So in first question we have angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degrees. Now if you put the values, you will get x plus 50 plus 60 equal to 180 degrees. So 50 plus 60 is 110. You will get x plus 110 equals to 180 degrees. Now if you transpose 110 to RHS, transpose 110 to RHS. So it is positive. If you transpose, it will become negative. It means x is equal to 180 minus 110, that is equal to 70 degrees. Now see the second question. Second question is angle P is, please note, this square indicates it is 90 degrees. Always remember, even if it is not mentioned in numbers, still this square indicates 90 degrees. Now again you will see that two angles are given. One angle is x. We have the property sum of interior angle of a triangle is supplementary. So it means angle P plus angle Q plus angle R equals to 180 degrees. Now if you put the values, you will get 90 plus Q is 30 plus x equals to 180 degrees. Now 90 plus 30 is 120 plus x equals to 180 degrees. Transpose 120 to RHS. Transpose 120 to RHS. Please note 120 is added this side, so it will get subtracted. X is equal to 180 minus 120. That is equal to 60 degrees. Thus, value of x is 60 degrees. Here, value of x is 70 degrees. Now, if you see the third figure, we have 30, 110 and x, means three angles of a triangle are given. We have the property sum of interior angle of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So in third question, it does mean angle x plus angle y plus angle z equals to 180 degrees. So it means angle x is 30 degrees plus angle y is 110 degrees plus z is x is equal to 180 degrees. Now degree for calculation I am not writing degrees. You will get 30 plus 110 is 140 plus x equal to 180 degrees. It means x is equal to 180 minus 140, that is equal to 40 degrees. By transposing 140 to RHS, positive becomes negative, you will get x is equal to 40 degrees, that is this angle is 40 degrees. Dear friends, we have fourth question. Fourth question is, in fourth question we have to find the value of x, and we have the property sum of interior angle of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. It means interior angles are, name of the triangle is not given, so we will directly write we have. Therefore, sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. It means fourth answer is x plus 50 is equal to 180 degrees. So x plus x is 2x plus 50 is equal to 180 degrees. Now watch carefully. We have to transpose 50 to RHS. So transpose 50 to RHS. They are positive this side. If you change the side, it will become negative. So 2x will remain here. 2x is equal to 180 minus 50. Please note this is equal to 130 degrees. Now divide both sides by 2, you will get, divide both sides of the equation, both sides of equation by 2. So you will get x is equal to 65 degrees. Now see the fifth question, sorry, it is not second, it is fifth question. In fifth question, we are given that all the angles are x, x, x. We have the property sum of interior angle of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. It means x plus x equals to 180 degrees. Now x plus x is 2x, 2x plus x is 3x. 3x is equal to 180 degrees. So divide both sides by, divide both sides of equation, both sides of equation by 3. You will get 3x divided by 3 is equal to 180 divided by 3. It means x is equal to 60 degrees. Thus, value of x is 60 degrees in fifth question. Now, sixth question is, I have already told you this square stands for 90 degrees. And we have sum of interior angle of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. It means this sixth question, I am solving this side. We will get x plus 2x, x plus 2x plus 90 equals to 180 degrees. Now transpose 90 to RHS, transpose 90 to RHS. So you will get x plus 2x is 3x equal to 180 minus 90. It is positive, so it will become 90. So you will get 3x is equal to 90 degrees. Now divide both sides. Divide both sides by 3. Both sides by 3. So this is equal to 3x divided by 3 equals to 90 divided by 3. This it means x is equal to 30 degrees. Please note, we have got this is equal to 30 degrees. So 2x is equal to 2 into 30, that is equal to 60 degrees. So this angle is 60 degrees. We were asked only to find the value of x. So x value of x is 30 degrees. Dear friends, in exercise 6.3 we have second question. Find the value of the unknowns x and y in the following diagrams. So we have to find the value of x and y in these diagrams. Now watch carefully. This 120 degrees is an exterior angle, and exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. So we have 120 degrees, 120 is equal to x plus 50, and reason is exterior angle of a triangle, exterior angle of triangle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. So this is the property that we have studied. Now it means, now if you transpose 50 to LHS, or 120 equal to x plus 50, it means x plus 50 equals to 120. Transpose 50 to RHS. Transpose 50 to RHS. So you will get x is equal to 120 minus 50, that is equal to 70 degrees. Now see, we have got x is equal to 70 degrees. We have the property sum of interior angle of a triangle is 180 degrees. So we will get x plus y plus 50 is equal to 180 degrees. We have one more property, sum of, but another property is, but sum of interior angles of triangle is, in sum of interior angles of triangle is 180 degrees. So you will get x plus y plus 50 equals to 180 degrees. Out of this x we have just found. So x is equal to 70. So it means 70 plus y plus 50 equal to 180 degrees. Now this 70 plus 50 is 120 plus y equal to 180 degrees. Again transpose 180 to RHS. Transpose 120 to RHS. So you will get y is equal to 180 minus 120, that is equal to 60 degrees. So we have got y is equal to 60 degrees in first question. Now if you see the second question, this angle is 80 degrees. It means y is also equal to 80 degrees. Reason is they are vertically opposite angles. We have studied in earlier chapters. So please note, in second example, y is equal to 80 degrees. Reason is vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Please note, this is not the only method to solve. You can solve in different ways. You can solve 80, then you will get this angle linear pair, and again it is an exterior angle, so exterior angle is equal to sum of remote interior angles or interior opposite angles, sum of interior opposite angles. So in that way also you can solve, but I am solving in this way. You will see that y is equal to 80 degrees. Reason is vertically opposite angles. Now we know that x plus y plus 50 is also equal to 180 degrees. Reason is sum of interior angles of triangle is 180 degrees. Out of this y we have found, so we get x plus 80 plus 50 equals to 180 degrees. 50 plus 80 is 130 equals to 180 degrees. If you transpose 130 to RHS, you will get x is equal to 180 minus 130, that is equal to 50 degrees. So we have got x is equal to 50 degrees and this is equal to 80 degrees. Now third question is, I don't have the space, so I am erasing this. Now see, in this triangle, in third question, x is an exterior angle because it forms a linear pair with the interior angle, and exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. So we have the property exterior angle, we have the property exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. So we will get x is equal to 50 plus 60, that is equal to 110 degrees. So we have got x is equal to 110 degrees. Now y is very easy to find. This x and y forms a linear pair. So you will get 110 plus y equal to 180 degrees. It means y is equal to 70 degrees. Or you can use the other way. That is, sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. We have studied one more property. Sum of interior angles of triangle is 180 degrees. It means you will get y plus 50 plus 60 equals to 180 degrees. So this is 110. It means if you transpose 110 to RHS, so you will get y equal to 180 minus 110, that is equal to 70 degrees. So we have got x is equal to 110 degrees and y is equal to 70 degrees. Dear friends, now we have this question, fourth question, find the value of unknowns x and y in the following diagram. So please note x is equal to 60 degrees. Reason is they are vertically opposite angles. And x plus y plus 30 equal to 180 degrees. We have already studied x plus y plus 30 equal to 180 degrees. Reason is sum of interior angles of triangle is interior angles of triangle is 180 degrees. So you will get x is 60, 60 plus y plus 30 equals to 180 degrees. 60 plus 30 is 90 degrees. So you will get y plus 90 equals to 180 degrees. It means if you transpose 90 to RHS, you will get y is equal to 180 minus 90, that is equal to 90 degrees. So thus we have got x is equal to 60 degrees and y is equal to 90 degrees. Now see the next question. Fifth question. In this, y is equal to 90 degrees. Reason is they are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Now x plus y, we have the property x plus y equal to 180 degrees. Reason is sum of interior angles of triangle is 180 degrees. So you will get x plus x is 2x plus y is 90 equals to 180 degrees. Now if you transpose 90 to RHS, it will become negative. So we will get transpose 90 to RHS. So you will get 2x is equal to 180 minus 90, that is equal to 90 degrees. So 2x is equal to 90, it means x is equal to, divide both sides by 2, you will get x is equal to 45 degrees. So x is 45 and y is 90 degrees. Dear friends, sixth question is find the value of x and y in the following diagram. Now names are not given in this figure, so writing is a little bit difficult, but watch carefully. You will get this x and y are equal. The reason is they are vertically opposite angles. So we can say that x is equal to y. Reason is vertically opposite angles. Now watch carefully. This angle is x, so interior angle of a triangle is also x. They are vertically opposite angles. And since this angle is x, this angle is also x. That is vertically opposite angles. Now watch carefully. We have got x plus y is equal to 180 degrees. The reason is sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Please note, other interior angles of triangle equal to x. Reason is again vertically opposite angles. So we have got these two angles also x. Reason is they are vertically opposite angles. Now we have x plus y, but x plus y equals to 180 degrees. We have already studied sum of interior angles of triangle is equal to 180 degrees. But we have written x equal to y. They are vertically opposite angles. It means y is equal to x. Therefore I can say that, but y is equal to x. Therefore we will get x plus x equal to 180 degrees. It means 3x is equal to 180 degrees. Now divide both sides by 3. Divide both sides by 3. Both sides of equation, divide both sides of equation by 3. So you will get 3x upon 3 is equal to 180 upon 3. That it means x is equal to 60 degrees. But we have already written x equal to y. It does also mean that y is equal to 60 degrees. Please note, here x is 60 degrees, y is 60 degrees, and these angles are also 60 degrees.